the 2018 Ram 1500. This four-door, five-passenger truck provides a satisfying ride for all passengers. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a power seat, automatic dimming door mirrors, heated and ventilated seats, automatic temperature control, turn signal indicator mirrors, and leather upholstery. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.